Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Bono. Today we are going to discuss a washing complaint. In washing machine, after the washing process, in our collar part we can see some slight ring. Okay, nearly 95% dirt is gone, but 5% dirt is there. It is visible. So that is what today we are going to discuss. What is that ring? I mean, what are the possible causes for that? How to fix it? Mainly, there are two possible causes. The first one is maybe improper washing method. The second one is maybe washing liquid, quality or quantity of the washing liquid. We'll discuss one by one. To achieve perfect washing process, superior performance, washing method also important. In collar pot, before putting into washing process, we have to apply directly some liquid detergent over the surface of the collar. This is the instruction this is the instruction given in most of the branded liquid detergents. That is one reason. And also the second one is we should not fold the collar inside pot and put it for washing purpose. This will not give superior washing performance. So before putting into washing purpose, we have to spread the collar part and we should place in washing machine in as such position. So the alignment of the collar part also very important during the washing process. And the third one is the washing liquids quantity also important. So how much cloth we put it, what is the extent of dirt, based on that we have to increase or decrease the amount of washing liquid. And another thing is the mode, I mean washing machine setup, rinsing time, water level, spinning, etc. So based on these factors also washing performance will be there. It is very simple. Choose any one reference standard liquid detergent from supermarket. By using that liquid detergent, put it for washing. I mean, by using your same method. After the washing process, observe the results. In collar pot, if it is perfect, then your washing liquid is problem, not your washing method. Even in branded liquid detergent, if there are some ring, then maybe the washing method is problem. But one thing, while choosing the reference standard, you have to choose it properly. Suppose if you are using economy formula and choosing Arial as reference standard, it is not correct. In case of washing liquid is problem, again there are two possibilities. First one is the composition of surfactants. The second one is enzymes. If washing liquid is problem, before fixing the problem, we have to find out whether this is dirt and grime or stain. We know very well the difference between dirt and stain. Dirt is, once again we will recall it, dirt is nothing but oil related particle. This is attached to the fabrics. Surfactants can remove the dirt and grime. In case of stain, it is color pigments bonded to the, I mean, chemically bonded to the fabrics. By means of surfactants, we cannot remove pigments, we cannot remove stains. We need stain removers. So, enzymes are stain removers. Let us discuss the problem. So, in color part, first we need to find out whether it is dirt or stain. How to detect? Very simple. After the washing process, take one collar pot. In half of the collar pot, apply some amount of enzyme directly 5 ml, 10 ml, or even 10 ml, 20 ml. Wash with water. If it is instantly going, then that pot is, I mean, that ring is stains. In our collar ring, the problem is due to stain, means we can fix it. I mean, in our liquid detergent, we are not using stain removers. I mean, we are not using enzymes or at least hydrogen peroxide, or we are not using sufficient quantity, or otherwise we are using enzymes, we are using sufficient quantity means maybe it is duplicate. I mean, duplicate means in detergent enzyme at least four enzymes should be there: amylase, propase, lipase, cellulase. So, a mixture of these four enzymes, we are called it as detergent enzyme. At least these four enzymes. So, in duplicate enzymes, maybe one or two will be there, maybe less concentration. So, that is what I am calling it as duplicate enzymes. So, they will not give proper washing performance. Some stains will be there. So, change the enzyme. That's all. If color part that is not going for even with enzymes, in remaining of part of the color, directly apply the liquid detergent, maybe 5 ml, 10 ml. Rinse it and wash it. If it is going means the problem is your surfactants. I mean the composition of surfactant is not correct. In case of liquid detergent, minimum 20 to 25% surfactants we need to maintain to achieve perfect washing process. Okay, to remove 100% color dirt. But apart from quantity, one more thing is important, that is composition. In case of composition, we can maintain anionic surfactants up to 80%. Okay, I mean acid slurry, SLES, Texaphone paste, SLS powder, AOS, these are all coming under one category, anionic surfactant. We can maintain up to 80%. But remaining 20%, we have to choose from other surfactants like non-ionic and amphoteric surfactants. Other, I mean, CAPB, Alphax 200, these are all coming under that category. So, this composition will give perfect finishing, perfect washing. Okay, not only the anionic surfactants, the combination of anionic surfactants with non-ionic and amphoteric. Generally, in liquid detergent formulations, they will not use cationic surfactants. Thank you, friends. We will discuss in our upcoming videos.